Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. In today's video I have something special for you. I will share with you the one and only moving average, the one that professional traders, whether it's London, New York or Japan, Tokyo, are using. I have something here with me. This is the handbook. Look at this handbook. This is the handbook over 300 pages of the first professional trading course that I took over 12 years ago here in London. I paid £1,000 for this knowledge. At this time, these courses were very expensive. They still are. If you want to get the proper knowledge, professional knowledge, know what are the professionals looking at and why is it important? Because professionals, they have money, and what's moving market? It's not your 0.03, it's their 100 lots. That's what's moving market. So you need to join the market where they are joining. Okay, so today we will be talking about this moving average. You might already know about it, but I will at least assure you that yes, you have to look at this moving average. You have to always have it on your chart. You need to pay attention to it, and it's not a joke. First of all, let's apply it to the chart. I assume that you know what moving average is. So it's an average price of previous, let's say 100 candles, 200 candles, depends. On the left hand side, when you go to the function, you've got a couple of types of moving averages. Depends on which platform you are using. That's what you need to apply over there. Here we would put SMA, which stands for simple moving average. Simple moving average, and you see that I have already set this magical number. Yes, it's a simple moving average of 200, but not only. So stick to the video. I show you some tricks. Period 200. Let's set it to a nice goldish color. Shift 0 based on you've got open, close, high, low. Always close. And visibility, you can check where you want it. I think you want it everywhere. So you can either apply to all charts that you have at the time, so that will be easy. And apply. And bang, here we are. Beautiful, moving, simple, moving averages. Average. Another one, we put exponential moving average. So there is a little bit different calculation. It's not simple. You can find online the calculation for it if you are into numbers. For now, we set exactly the same, apply to all, no changes. We can change the color so we know which one is which. And apply. And now let's have a look what is market doing at these levels. We are on gold's daily chart, and we can see that after breaking through. So what's the idea? First of all, maybe let's say first things first. On the higher time frames, you are using these averages to determine whether we are in a bullish or bearish trend. So if the market is above 200, that's when you are looking for buying opportunities. If the market is below, that's when you are looking for the sell-off opportunities. Trend is your friend, remember. Okay, so we are above at this point. We are looking for bullish, for buy opportunities. And yeah, that's right. Look at that. Look what's happening once we are above. Then we have some pullbacks and you act on it. But let's focus on the places where the moving average actually is. We can see that the first one, this is the exponential. The price comes to exponential, and look at the reaction. There's an instant reaction on gold for over 230 pips. Later, we break through. Look at this candle. So this is a strong signal that moving average is not holding anymore. That we are going down. With a candle like that, there's no respect for the moving average. There is a retest. One, second one, third one, fourth one. Look at that. We have a nice triangle forming here, and then this candle again, just like that one, is indicating that finished. We are done with this playing with this moving averages. We are falling, and that's your bearish trend, which you can ride all the way, my friend. Later, of course, nothing goes forever. The market is exhausted. The bulls are taking over. Look at that. We're coming just to the neighborhood for now. Nothing special yet. At this point, we are touching a pullback. Again, touching pullback. Nice candle breaking through, but still just one. Like, look at this one. This one broke through two at the same time. That was very narrow. Here we have like a, you can call it a resistance band made of 200 average. Then there is a strong white candle. Small of a pullback. Where is the pullback to? To previous highs. Amazing. Very good opportunity. You need to look at it. Then we are coming again. Trying to get above. No success. Retesting. Back to retesting the previous band. And this is the candle that is indicating, just like that one, just like that one. That's the candle that is showing you like, okay, I'm done with this moving averages. I know where I want to go. I want to go up from now on. So now you've got beautiful bullish trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Later, what's happening? Correction. Where are we correcting to? Again, to the exponential. Look at that, how we are sitting here. Trying to get below. No, the market is sending the clear signal with the engulfing pattern. Again, engulfing pattern. Again, engulfing the previous 4 candles. And then we are going up. So no success here. We got like a triple bottom. No success. The market again is showing us the strength, is going up, breaking through. We can even draw like a trend line here. Yes, so this is a breakthrough, and we know that this is a moment for us to make money. Amazing. Okay, we going. Look at that. Look at that. Once you know that where you are on the market, there's no excuse not to make profits. And later on, of course, our COVID-19 that happened in 2020, March, and the news, all over the news, everyone is pulling back the money from the market. And look what's happening. The averages are coming together. The market, again, is respecting this level. But the power of the fall is so strong that it's going a little bit deeper. So you can see closing above. There is even a one candle that open and close below. Sorry, I said above, I meant below. This one open and close below. But this beautiful engulfing candle again tells us, no way, I'm not staying below. There is money on the markets to be made. And we are going up again, going up, impulse back, going up. Beautiful. And look at the trend, everything up. And you can use your strategies here for the pullbacks, you name it, the one I teach you last time, 5-minute strategy, everything. Then you know that everything you do in one direction, you are buying. So that's your signal to buy. And then again, look, where we're dropping, beautiful. The market stops 1, 2, 3 days, then it's breaking. The same situation here, remember, the false break, candle opening and closing, but there is no retest. So you always need to remember, need to be retest and continuation. No retest. Again, engulfing candle, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles engulf with this white bullish candle. Beautiful. Again, we're going for good few weeks, we're going up. up to the previous levels. Then again, retesting. So now we know that we need to be worried, yeah, because there is no like here, okay, we're going, nothing. The market is coming back, so it doesn't like to stay up for too long with very strong candles. What does it do? Look, it's going sliding, so we need to be careful. We need to watch now for signal like that, for breakthrough, retest, and then continuation. What's happening? That's exactly what's happening. We are breaking through, retesting, and then going again, retesting, going deeper. So after this point, after this candle here, we already know that we need to look for the sell opportunities. Then the market again coming to the moving averages. Look, reacting again. So we know that either there will be a pullback, we need to wait what will be happening, or we will be trying to break through. So we need to observe the market. The market is going, bang, one knocking the door of the moving averages, another time going up, and it's all the time working with this moving averages. So you know where to look. In here there was no retest. Like we need something like that, yeah, if you want to trade. So you need to go retest and then bounce up. There is nothing. So now what are we reading here? That we are in a side movement, in consolidation, because the market is going through the moving averages. So we need to wait for something clear to give us a clear signal. So yeah, again, coming, dancing around the moving averages, no clear signal coming, there's no retest, no continuation, and I draw a line before, that's some previous trend line. So we know that, you know, once we are in the side movement, the market is indecisive. We are waiting for what? For the breakthrough of the trend line. So this is another signal for us. And look how it's reacting to the trend line. So these 2 points are giving us trend line, massive reaction. Another trend line, massive reaction. Like these are no joke candles. And then bang, again, beautiful white candle, retest, and this is trade for us. We are going up. That's what we did. So again, this is how it's working. The moving averages, you see, again, like coming to the moving averages, retesting, coming, retesting, going, getting in to the band, upper bands, lower band, retest, but no breakthrough again. So we've got the side movement. We are waiting for something. What we are waiting for the breakthrough, retest, and continuation. That's what we got at this point. Yeah, breakthrough, retest, and continuation. And this is for us the signal to be making money over 1,000 pips at this point, 1,240 pips. Okay, guys, as I said, secret, no secrets. These moving averages are used by professionals. That's why they are working. The market is looking at them. The professional market is looking at them. They don't take the chances. Professional traders. If we are coming to the moving averages, you can see some pullbacks. You can even set a strategy for that. So whenever the market comes to the moving average, you go to 5-minute chart and you are looking for nice pullbacks. You're looking for the signals on 5-minute chart. Again, use the strategy I teach you before to do so. Use them, put them on your chart, have them over there, unless your chart is already very busy with some indicators, so you can have it on a separate chart, so you know that something is going on. You can set even an alarms nearby. I hope this video was helpful. I will leave on this site some other videos for you if you like this one. I am sure that you will like these videos as well. I wish you all the best with the trading. Thumbs up for the video, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I wish you a wonderful weekend. Take care. Bye.